Now here in this question, it is asked a forward biased diode is, and in the options, 4 diagrams are shown. Now we have to see in which diagram forward biasing of diode is indicated. Now here the basic condition for forward biasing of diode is, we know that diode is a device which will be having 2 terminals, and the terminal here is known as anode and this terminal is known as cathode. Now we know that for forward biasing of diode, that is when a diode has to be forward biased, in that case anode should be more positive than cathode. Now this anode terminal should be more positive than cathode. Okay, so in that condition only the diode will be forward biased. Now if you see this 4 diagrams, there are voltages shown at the anode and cathode. Now if you observe these voltages, in the first option the voltage at the anode, so this is anode and this is cathode, the voltage applied at the anode is minus 4 volt and the voltage applied at the cathode is minus 3 volt. So minus 4 volt is less than minus 3 volt. So option 1 is not the answer. In this case, the diode is not forward biased. In the second option, we see the voltage applied at the anode of the diode is 3 volt and the voltage applied at the cathode of the diode is 5 volt. Again, the voltage at the anode is not positive with respect to a cathode voltage. So even this is not a case of forward bias. If you see the third case, the voltage applied at the anode of the diode is minus 2 volt and the voltage applied at the cathode of the diode is plus 2 volt. So minus 2 volt is less than plus 2 volt. Again, here the diode is not forward biased. If you see the fourth option, the voltage applied at the anode is 0 volt and the voltage applied at the cathode of the diode is minus 2 volt. So here we see there is a condition that the voltage applied at anode is 0 volt and the voltage applied at cathode is minus 2 volt and 0 volt is more positive than minus 2 volt. Therefore, this condition says that the diode is forward biased. So here option 4 is the right answer, which indicates that the diode is forward biased. So here you can see option 4 is the right answer.